Alright, tonight I'm going to do a quick demo on how to use Wormhole and Zcash. So, our setup is we have two computers. Person A is on one computer, person B is on another, let's say a Raspberry Pi 5. And what I want to do is send a file from the Raspberry Pi computer into the other computer that person A is running. So, the first step in this is to run our receive als script on computer or person A's computer. So let's do that now. Okay, and what that'll do is it'll on a loop read the latest memo in that node and display it and ask you if you want to use it for the secret code. And so now we're going to go to computer B and we're going to run the shielded data script, which has inputs a secret code and the file that you want to send. So I'll be sending a flying zebra picture, and I'll create a new code for us. For display purposes and proof of concept, I'm going to keep this simple. Just use numbers like that. And you enter, and it opens up Wormhole with this code. And what needs to happen is on the other computer or the computer that will receive this data, they need to correctly input this code using Wormhole on their side. Wow, but the cool part here is I've created a script that will read a shielded memo that you can send from, say, a mobile phone. So this QR code here is an address on person A's computer, which you could send out to anyone, theoretically. And I'm going to send them the code in memo. So I'm just using YWallet here on my phone. 19875 15424 15415. We'll send it. Oops. Gotta mixed up my send here real quick. 19875 15424 15415. Okay, I got a transaction ID, and this is an older one that I did, so I'm going to hit no, and the script will just keep waiting for the next block. I have over here my another script that will let us know when a block is mined. Looks like it just was, and still not showing the correct one, so I'm going to say no. So as soon as we get our correct code, I will say yes, and it should download. There we go. Use memo for secret code. We're going to say yes. Now notice down here I don't have any files. There it goes. Automatically, you have a flying zebra. Awesome. Alright guys, that concludes the demo. Any questions, let me know.